Hello friends, today we are going to see about ANSYS design modeler, and for that we are seeing about the sweep command in ANSYS design modeler. Here the sweep command, we are going to select the design modeler. For the design modeler, here we have the geometry to create the design modeler tool. Here the model tree, we can see the geometry tool. The component system, here the geometry tool is visible. So please pick the geometry tool and drag here to the box. Here the geometry is ready to create the sweep command. So now press right click, and here the dialog box will represent, and this new design modeler geometry helps to create the sweep command or any other design modeler tools. Here the space claim geometry also available, but we should prefer only new design modeler geometry. Click the new design modeler geometry. It will take some while. Yes, this is the blue color screen is representing the ANSYS workspace, the ANSYS design modeler workspace, and here the geometry. Below the geometry, this is the model tree for our sketch. Here we had the three different planes. These three different planes are the base plane to create the sketches. For today we are seeing about the sweep command. Now I'm going to create a basic sketch for the sweep. For that I'm going to create a circular profile or a rectangle profile, any other profile. To create a profile, first we should take a new plane. So now I'm going to take plane for create the basic sketch. Here XY plane, ZX plane and YZ plane. Now I'm going to select YZ plane to create the axis for our sweep. Not an axis, it's a path. Our path must be not only in straight or curvature only. A path can be in a curvature, circular or a line also. So we can take any other path to create a profile for the sweep. So now I'm going to take the YZ plane and click here, look at for the sketch view. See, this is my isometric view, my YZ plane, and this is the isometric view, and I'm click the looker for our sketch view. So now I'm going to create a path for our profile. So here the sketching tools are available. Now I'm going to take a simple line. Simple line is a profile, not a profile, it's a path. Going to, I selected one line and I drawn on one line, and I'm going to give a dimension for this line. This is my line. This is the dimension. I'm going to give a dimension for 100 mm, 100 meter. It's 100 meter. Yes. Then I'm going to create a profile for travel along this path. So for that I have choose a perpendicular plane for the profile, because the path and the profile must be perpendicular for the sweep condition. Then only the profile will be created in sweep command. For all cases in sweep command, we should create the profile as perpendicular to the path. The path must be circular, rectangular or a irregular curve. It's not a problem, but we should create a perpendicular one for the path. For that I'm going to take a XY plane. See, we can see the changes of the plane. Here this is the YZ plane. See, this is the YZ plane, and this one is the perpendicular to this plane, so I'm going to take the XY plane. You can see the XY plane. I'm take the XY plane and right click. Here the lookout option our sketch view will representing. So now I'm going to take the sketching tool to create a profile. So I'm take a circular profile and I started my profile. Here I'm going to give a dimension also. Yeah, I'm giving a 30 mm diameter circle, 30 meter diameter circle. Here my 30 meter diameter circle was generated. Now I'm going to see my profile and the path. See here, this is my profile, sorry, this is my path and this is my profile. You can see. Now I'm going to create a sweep. Here we can see our selector sketches. Now I'm going to click the sweep tool in the toolbar. Here the sweep tool will represent and click the sweep tool. Here it shows the profile, path and the operation method. Now I'm going to create my I'm going to select the profile. At XY plane we had our profile and I'm selecting my profile and apply. Then I'm going to take a path. This is my path. Here I have go to select my path. Now I'm going to select the path. So now I'm going to generate. Yeah, see here a tool was created a sweep profile. This is my path and this is my circular profile. This circular profile travel along the straight line. So the condition is must to create the sweep is the profile and the path must be perpendicular to each other. This is the first condition. And here we had two operations. The first one is add material. The add material is used to create a solid object, and the second one is add frozen. The add frozen was helps to create a multiple faces in the same solid object. So see, the add frozen is used for to select the multiple faces. Yeah, here we should select the multiple faces. This is the purpose for the add frozen. Finally we created and we completed the sweep command in ANSYS design modeler. And one more option also available in sweep command, that is nothing. Here we can create a helical profile or a spiral profile, like a spring, tension spring, a compression spring. That all we can create in the simple sweep command. So now we are going to see about the creation of helical spring in or a helix in sweep command. For that we should clear the sweep and we should clear the sweep and we should delete any one sketch from here because we need a sketch in the same plane. So now I'm going to delete these two sketches, sketch 1 and sketch 2, and I'm going to the normal plane. Now I'm going to change the units into millimeter mm. So mm is easy to calculate all of the values. I'm going to take a XY plane and create a new sketch. Here we can see our third sketch. So now we are going to select the sketches tool and I'm going to the lookout for the sketch view. Here I'm going to take a straight line, and I'm going to give a dimension for this. I'm going to give a dimension for 100 mm. Now I'm going to take a new sketch on a same plane because we need a profile and a path for the sweep command. For that we should take another sketch for a same plane, but here the condition is not must, that is perpendicular, because here we should create the helix or a helical spring only. For that we should not need a perpendicular profile. The profile must be parallel or a same plane is fine. Here I'm going to take a new sketch in the same plane. See here the sketch 4 is representing, and I'm going to create a profile on the same plane. Now I'm going to take a circle and I'm going to create here. Now I'm created a circle also. Now I'm going to give a dimension for the circle and the circle midpoint to the axis. Here I'm going to give the dimension also. So all the dimensions are given. Now the profile and the path is ready for the sweep command. Now click the sweep command. First we should select our profile, and second we should select the path. So now I'm going to select our profile. Here our profile is ready to select, and my profile was applied, and I'm going to select the path. This is my path, and I'm going to change the twist conditions. Here the twist specification, we had the pitch and turns. Here I'm going to click the pitch. Now we are seeing the default value 100 mm pitch. I'm going to change it as 10. So now we are going to generate the tool. It will take some time. Here the pitch value is not enough for the diagram, so we should change our pitch for the profile. Yeah, here after the changing of the pitch value, our profile was created. See here we can see the helical profile. See it could like a coil or a spring. Here change the pitch value again only, and I'm going to change the pitch value again. So I'm going to change 75. We should generate the pitch value. See here increasing the pitch value, our turns of the coil was decreased. So now I'm going to decrease the pitch value, and I'm going to generate the coil. See, if we should decrease the pitch value, the coil count was all increased. So this is the term we should understand here finally. So the pitch value will increase, the number of coil will reduce, and if we should give a minimum pitch value, the number of coils are increased. And here another more option is available. Here the scale, I can change the scale value like 2. After that click the generate. Here you can see great changes in our profile. This could like a spiral profile. Yeah, these all are the option in sweep command in the ANSYS design modeler. Now we are going to end the operation in sweep command. Here one more operations are available, that is nothing but it's a thin feature in sweep command. Now I'm going to change again the scale value into a normal mode, and after that I've generated it's a normal helical spring, and here this thin surface is used to create a hollow profile. Here click the yes and enable the yes. Then after that here we had a inward thickness and outward thickness. I'm going to give a 2 mm thickness. See, we can see a hollow profile. So this is the thickness profile and the thickness option in the sweep command. So these all are the tools are available in sweep command in ANSYS design modeler.